I'll show you how to use the HZTouch app now. The HZTouch app is used for control the devices in meeting room because the devices in meeting room are not allowed with the SIM, so the app have to be used with the help of two Windows software, panel design and HZ control. This is the file that you can download it from the link we provided in the review note area. They are to install the panel design and HZ control. Panel design is used for designing the user interface for controlling devices, and HZ control is used for sending commands to the devices. Firstly, I'll show how to transfer demo project files to the HZTouch app. Firstly, let us open the panel design software. You can use the file open project to open the demo project file. All the demo files are in the UI files directory. Because the iPad or iPhone you used have different resolution, so you have to choose the file and the directory with name corresponding to your device. For example, I'll use the iPad Air 2 for demonstration, so I'll choose iPad, this directory, and this file. Just click open, and the project file will be opened. To transfer file to the HZTouch app, you have to make sure that your computer and the iPad was in the same local area network. For example, you can just connect them to the same wireless network. To transfer file to the HZTouch app, keep the HZTouch app open in the iPad and use the file menu and use the menu transfer connect to touch panel to search for iPad. This dialog is used for search the iPad you used. All the search the iPad will be listed here. Just choose one and click connect. If the panel design software can connect with the HZTouch app, the bottom right of the panel design software will show connected. And now you can use transfer, send the current active project to touch panel to send the demo project file to the HZTouch app. We click it now, and transfer progress dialog will show. The HZTouch app shows like this. Just wait for the sending to finish. After transfer finished, the user interface will look like this. This is the demo project files we created. Because our main marketing is China, so I designed the file in Chinese. You can click it now. This is how to transfer the demo project files to the HZTouch app. Next, I'll show how to connect HZTouch app with the HZ control software. You'll see there's a red label showing not connected at the top left of the HZTouch app. This is indicating that the HZTouch app is not connected with the HZ control software. To connect HZTouch app with the HZ control software, we'll change some settings of HZTouch app. All the HZTouch app was in the system's settings app. So we open the settings app. and we will find HZTouch here. We will use apply profile and manage profiles to connect HZTouch app with the HZ control software. Keep apply profile to profile 1 and manage profiles profile 1 and set host to your computer's network address. For example, just like it, and keep the others untouched. Then reopen the HZTouch app. Now open the HZ control software in your computer. If the network address was set correctly and the HZTouch app can connect with the HZ control software, there's some change in the user interface. The top left red label will be disappeared, and we can click the user interface now. Just as what you see, some buttons can change state now. And the HZ control software shows some messages about the control process. All the buttons like this in the HZTouch app will have a unique number with it, and when you click it, a network socket will be sent to the HZ control software. The HZ control software will distinguish the button you clicked and send different command out to the device as it was programmed. This is how the total program works.